Hello, my name is Joe Klein. I'm a pilot at Group Holdings Aviation in Fort Worth, Texas.
My name is Rodney Lundy. I'm Assistant Chief Pilot for Group Holdings Aviation.
I'm Bill Flowers, Standards Captain.
At Flight Research, we do upset and recognition training.
Flight Research offers a different view on their training from what you get in flight safety and other courses.
We received very good academics with regard to the aerodynamics of high-performance aircraft at high altitudes.
Teach you how to unload the aircraft, control your speed, and recover without overstressing the aircraft.
To be able to actually go out and perform the upsets in jet aircraft in the airplane that they use to train those upsets really gives you the confidence and the muscle memory.
I have experienced a scenario in everyday flight where my training at Flight Research proved to be invaluable in the recovery from an upset. We were at .88 Mach. We leveled off at 37,000 feet. Everything was great. Autopilot was on, auto throttles were on, and suddenly we experienced what we later determined to be a wake turbulence upset.
When we hit converging jet streams, we lost 200 feet and our speed increased from Mach 0.88 to Mach 9.2 in a matter of seconds, with a pitch down attitude at 5 degrees and then an immediate pitch attitude increase to plus 15 and a speed decrease to Mach 8.0.
At flight level 360, we were level flight for probably about 4 minutes, and all of a sudden we hit a wall.
The aircraft banked approximately 60 degrees to the left and pitched up approximately 15 degrees. I recognized the upset and used the techniques that were taught to me at Flight Research to recover from the upset. I let the nose of the airplane fall down through the horizon, noticed that the airspeed was increasing, and I utilized the UTAP technique to recover from the upset.
There was a tremendous bump. The nose of the airplane pitched up to 10 degrees. The airplane rolled left to 65 degrees. At that time, I took the autopilot off, disengaged the auto throttles, and pitched the nose down to 0G, and then rolled the airplane level flight.
As the airspeed was increasing, I just slightly, not overreacting, retarded the throttles a bit, and then leveled the wings of the airplane and increased power at that point and returned the airplane to a normal, steady state of flight.
The principal came up to the cockpit and he said, "What just took place?" My response to him immediately was, "The money that you pay for us for our training program just paid off."
After we explained to our principal passenger what had happened, he seemed very satisfied.
If it had not been for the training that I received, there may have been a different outcome.
I think the training at Flight Research in Mojave prepares you a lot better than the extra 300 because of the different types of wing loading for the aircraft they use. Flight safety simulator training does not give you the actual experience of filling the G's and the air loads on the flight controls that you get at Flight Research.
You just can't replicate in a simulator the physiological experiences and the apprehension that you have when you know that you're in a real aircraft and not in a simulator.
Upset recovery training is worth the investment tenfold.
The value of the training far exceeds the cost.
I think you need to consider, first of all, the safety of your passengers, protecting the investment that people have in their airplanes, and saving lives.
Because of the implementation of RVSM, traffic is closer vertically and horizontally, and it is imperative to have training through Flight Research to be able to counteract wake turbulence.
Companies should see the importance of pushing for this type of training. It's not a matter of if, it's when your pilots get in this situation.
I think it's well worth the investment. You learn so much and develop so much confidence that I now that I've taken the training, I can't imagine not having that type of training.